This is my entryway. As soon as we enter the home, we need a space to sit down, to take off our shoes and bags and then move into the home. And I did up this space a couple of weeks back, but now it looks a little dull, boring. I need to spruce up this space for the coming fall. This is my Hello Sign bag that I made last fall and I love this. This is a cane bag and I had placed some white roses here with lots of greens and it was looking nice, but now I think I'll add some white and yellow roses for a little bright, happy, cheerful touch to the place. As with every effort of decorating, the first step is to take down everything and give it a good clean before starting on a fresh slate. First I added the seat cushion with an off-white light colored cover. On top of it I placed my Urban Outfitters inspired cushion DIY with boho touch and tassels. I love this one. Next I added two decorative boxes stacked one over the other in two different sizes and shades and topped them with this beautiful star votive candle holder, and next to it lies my flickering orange light lantern in white. After much deliberation what to add to this space, I decided to add this dish, which is a peacock shaped dish in gold color, and I also added a dried coconut flower here as a touch of fall. This dish would act as a catch-all for holding keys, pens, etc. Next I brought back my easel and I replaced the sign with the blessed sign that I made last year, and I brought back my little art that I made last year. I made this sign with a poem on autumn written on it, and on top of it I painted and pasted a leaf made of handmade paper, and I love this sign. My entryway is all decked up in gold and warm neutral shades and colors of fall or autumn. I love this space. It's just brightened up so much. It's just beautiful. I enjoy decorating and I'm enjoying in every moment in this room with this space. I hope you liked watching this, and thank you so much for your time, appreciation and support. See you in my next video. Till then, take care.